We had a plan, but it changes every 5 minutes.
We got the sign. We want it to feel like the Amarante show, and it is the Amarante show. Hi guys, we've just landed at Birmingham. Landed? I said landed, as if it's a foreign place. Anyway, we've just got to Birmingham, NEC. It's now about 9 AM, so we left London really early this morning. A little bit tired, but really excited for the day. Just stay tuned, we'll take you through the journey with us today and we'll talk about our installations along the way. See you in a bit.
It's a hole on the side, like because I'm putting crates on top of it. Is relatively finished. We're just waiting for a sofa to be delivered. So the sofa's going to be placed in the middle, and it's going to be like people are sitting in a field of flowers again. Cute, right?
Yeah.
The entrance feature for the National Wedding Show was the first thing that people would see when they walked into the show. So we wanted something that was going to be really striking and also create a photo opportunity for people when they walked in. The first feature that people see when they enter the VIP tent is our deconstructed arch. This reached 3 meters in height and is a more upgraded version of your traditional wedding arch. We really wanted to capture the season of autumn in this piece, so we've used a variety of stems such as beech, pampas and carthamus to really tie in those orange shades. We also designed some bespoke hat boxes for the table centres and barrel arrangements, which combined our dried flowers with our iconic roses. Final installation in the VIP tent was our infamous suspended wheel design, which got so much attention on social media. We took a bit more of a minimal approach with the Wed Talk stage and created 6 bespoke arches to dress the stage with. We also finished these with some floral sprays, which included pampas grass and again a mixture of our red and pink iconic roses.
bouquets are everywhere, literally. Just have a chance.
Last but not least, the Amarante stand. We created a variety of different installations here, including an egg chair, some bespoke arches, and also an area where the brides could try on their wedding bouquets. We also use this space as a pop-up shop to display all of our beautiful wedding arrangements.
So that is it from us at the National Wedding Show here in Birmingham, showing you around all the different installations, and we carried this show across all 3 of the shows that were held this year. Hopefully we will see you all at the next spring show next year, and we really look forward to hearing from you. Bye!